Well, hello everybody, Paula here. I just want to take a moment here. This is going to be a short video to let you know that I have finished recording the Django Master course, where you're going to be learning about Django, how to use the Django framework to build web applications. Now, Django is an amazing Python framework for quickly spin up web applications. Even if you've never really done a lot of web development, Django is the way to go for many reasons that I discuss in the course. Of course, I think it's probably going to be about a little over 15 hours. It's a massive course. So let me go ahead and show you a little bit exactly what you will expect in the upcoming course. That way, hopefully you can get excited, and the plans that I have on when I'm going to be launching this course for you to be watching for that. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so I have here part of the slides that I've used. Of course, you can see here, Django Web Development Deep Dive. You're going to go through the fundamentals of Django, the framework itself. Look at how Django divides project versus app. So this is all about the Django, the way the framework structures everything. We'll talk about views, templates, models, forms, to be able to actually add something to the database using forms, authentication, and ultimately you're going to learn how to deploy scalable web applications with Django. So this is going to be, of course, a full immersion course. I'm going to go ahead and quickly show you a little bit about the final project that you're going to be able to build. Actually, you're going to be building throughout the course. Okay, so this is the app we're going to be building. You can see here, we can go and see all of these recipes. We can search for recipes, right? So let's say I want pizza. I'm going to go ahead and search, and it shows pizza. We can go in and look at pizza. In this case, we can add this pizza to our cookbook, and you can see it's added. That's very good. And go back to all recipes. Look at this one, for instance. We can see all these recipes. We can also edit if we are allowed to edit. We're not allowed, of course, to edit this one, nor are we allowed to delete. So that's okay. And we can comment, say, hello, this is a great recipe, like that. I'm going to post, and you can see that Paulo added that. The other thing I can do is for Paulo, I can click on Paulo here, and I can edit a few things. I can say bio, I am Paulo, and I love food, and I can choose something. Let's say I want to choose something like that, okay? And I'm going to save. So this is going to be my welcome there. All right. We can see all these categories here. So appetizers, there's nothing. I can add a recipe if I wanted to, and go back to all recipes. I can also look at all these different things that you see here. So I can add a new recipe and say add a recipe, let's say, and some ingredients and directions and category. Let's say this is going to be, let's just say salad. Why not? Just something like that. And save. So you can see that a recipe was saved by Mr. Paulo. So this looks very good. And I can go ahead and like that. And if I want, I can say, what a recipe. Okay, so and pass the comment there, and all is fine. If I go back here, we can see all of the recipes that we like. And I can go ahead and log out, and I can also go ahead and add a category here, but I have to log in first. To add a category, I'll have to log in. Good food, add a category, and you can see that it was added right here. And if I click here, I don't have anything. I can go ahead and add that new recipe for that category. All right, so this is a full-fledged application, as you can see, and you can see all of these different things that we've added. By the way, the demo I showed you of the recipe share application was deployed on Heroku, which means you can actually go and find this live, where you can just play with it. That's also another thing you're going to be learning how to do in this course. So it's a full course that's coming up. I'm working the final parts of it. Probably in a week or a week and a half should be ready, at which point I will let you know. Now, if you're interested in being the first person to enroll in this course, go ahead and click the link in the descriptions where you can leave your email. That way I can notify you as soon as it's ready so you can enroll right away. Okay? Thank you so much. And let me know if you're excited about this, because I am. I put a lot of work on this and I'm excited to share that with you. All right? Thank you, and I'll see you next time.